Welcome back to Luxurious Cars. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the 2025 Renault Triber facelift, a compact MPV that's received a fresh update to enhance its style and practicality. The Triber has always stood out with its versatility and space, but the 2025 facelift adds a touch of sophistication and modernity to its design. Let's explore the key updates to the exterior that make this refreshed model even more appealing. Starting with the front, the 2025 Triber facelift gets a more striking and modern look. The grille has been reworked, now featuring a bold and angular design with chrome accents that give it a more premium feel. The signature Renault logo is now more prominent, sitting proudly at the center of the grille. Flanking the grille are new LED headlights that are sharper and more defined, with an updated design that gives the front end a more contemporary and high-tech appearance. The new LED DRLs integrated into the headlights provide a signature light pattern, enhancing both visibility and style. The front bumper has also been redesigned, with cleaner, more sculpted lines that give the Triber a more dynamic and polished look. The air intakes have been widened, offering a sportier and more aggressive stance, while the fog lamps have been repositioned to give the front end a more balanced and refined appearance. When we move to the side, the 2025 Triber facelift retains its compact proportions but introduces new alloy wheels that are more modern and intricate. These new wheels add a premium touch to the overall design. The body features more defined lines and contours, which enhance its aerodynamics and add a sense of motion to its side profile. Subtle chrome accents around the windows and on the door handles provide a touch of elegance, further elevating the Triber's visual appeal. At the rear, the facelift brings new, sharper LED taillights that follow a more angular design. These taillights are connected by a sleek chrome strip that adds to the SUV-like feel of the Triber. The rear bumper has been refined with a more sculpted look and a two-tone finish, making the back end look more robust and premium. With these updates, the 2025 Renault Triber facelift offers a more refined, dynamic, and stylish presence, blending practicality with modern design. That's all for our exterior review of the 2025 Renault Triber facelift. Stay tuned for more updates and reviews here on Luxurious Cars. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.